Enter the next era of farming with Hylio's ARES HYL-150. The best-in-class ag drone designed, built, and supported in the USA. Whether you're spraying with hydraulic nozzles or rotary atomizers, or seeding with the granular spreader, the ARES can handle any task you throw at it with its quick swap payload system. You can treat thousands of acres with minimal downtime, and the ARES is 100% NDAA compliant with a secure supply chain and Western-sourced components that are built to last. Every ARES unit is manufactured at Hylio headquarters in Texas to the highest quality standards. It uses a powerful, next-gen lithium polymer battery that combines impressive energy density with lightning-fast charging up to a rate of 5C. Quick to charge and even quicker to swap, it keeps you moving, allowing you to conquer any field with unmatched precision and efficiency. The ARES folds into a compact form for easy transport, letting you take your operation anywhere. Hylio's GroundLink puts all of the power of precision agriculture in your hands. This all-in-one ground station device isn't your typical RC controller. It seamlessly combines GIS planning, command and control, and agronomic data analysis tools into a multifunctional, rugged device. The GroundLink makes both autonomous and manual deployment of your ag drones effortless. Leveraging Hylio's AgroSol GCS, our in-house ground control software platform, you can effortlessly command a fleet of 3 drones from a single remote, offering unmatched productivity. Hylio's GS3 system, a full HD camera integrated onto a 3-axis gimbal, streams high-resolution FPV feed, allowing you to monitor the operation of your entire fleet through AgroSol, with multiple feeds all at once. The ARES has a clean and efficient system architecture, featuring a centralized motherboard which makes maintenance and repair tasks easier than ever, so you spend less time in the shop and more time flying. With US-based manufacturing and support and a rapidly growing service network of authorized dealers, you have access to expert assistance whenever and wherever you need it. You aren't just buying a drone, you're accessing a support system of American-owned and operated businesses dedicated to your success. The ARES is the result of more than a decade of Hylio innovation in the industry, combining all of our lessons learned to offer unmatched productivity, reliability, and usability in the ARES platform, with relentless dedication to push the tech forward while honoring the men and women that use it. The ARES, powered by AgroSol GCS, commanded with GroundLink, and backed by experienced professionals, is the weapon of choice for producers and ag operators across the country fighting farming's biggest battles. ARES is your way to take back control. This isn't the future. This is now. Elevate your farm with Hylio.